everyone, welcome to the 15th episode of Astronomy News. My name is Vivian and today's news topic is China's Chang'e 5 sample return mission to the moon. This event has a significant impact on the field of astronomy because the new samples collected will allow us to gain a deeper understanding of the history of the moon, and according to Long Xiao, a planetary scientist at the China University of Geosciences, it will inspire young students and scientists to engage in planetary science and exploration. So let's start exploring this exciting topic. On November 23, 2020, around 3:30 p.m. ET, China's Chang'e 5 probe, weighing 8,200 kilograms and powered by China's most powerful engines, was launched into the space from the Wenchang Satellite Launch Center on Hainan Island. On December 1, 2020, the modules of the Chang'e 5 landed on the surface of the moon. Powered by solar energy, the modules began to work and collected the samples from the surface of the area in the mountain moon's Rumker, which is located approximately 3,600 feet above the ocean of storms and contains the youngest rocks on the moon. Collecting the samples is the most important mission of the Chang'e 5. With its easily operated mechanical arms, the Chang'e 5 successfully drilled 2 meters deep underground and collected nearly 2 kilograms of samples that are less than 2 billion years old from the surface of the moon and safely put them on the ascent vehicle. Meanwhile, the Chang'e 5 also displayed a China national flag on the moon for the first time. Then the Chang'e 5 was launched from the moon and returned to the lunar orbit. On December 5, 2020, the Chang'e accurately docked with the lunar orbiter and transferred the samples to another protective capsule, which will be sent back to the Earth for analysis. It is the first time that the man-made probe completed the whole round of automatic docking around the moon in the history of space exploration. On December 16, 2020, 23 days after its launch, the Chang'e 5 landed in Inner Mongolia of China with the samples safely and successfully. The Chinese officials said that they will share these samples with the UN, and some of the materials will also be displayed in the National Museum to the Chinese public. The Chang'e 5 sample return mission is one of the most important events in the history of outer space exploration of human beings. Firstly, it is the first time that the man-made probe landed on the moon, collected 2 kilograms of samples, and returned to the Earth successfully since the American Apollo and the Soviet Union did the same thing 44 years ago. Secondly, not only did this most complex and difficult mission show that China has acquired advanced research and development abilities for collecting samples from the moon and returning them to the Earth, but also laid a solid foundation for China to explore the moon and planets in the future. Thirdly, the samples it brought back from the moon will be important for the scientific research on the history of the evolution of the moon, especially the moon's age and its volcanic activity on younger parts of its rocky surface. Based on new research on the history of the moon's formation, scientists find that volcanic activities have lasted for longer than they have previously thought. The samples returned will help scientists figure out why and how this is the case. According to James Head III, a planetary scientist at Brown University, the Chang'e 5 mission enables all kinds of fundamental hypotheses to be tested, and there are really good fundamental questions to be answered that will change our thinking about the moon big time. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Astronomy News. See you next time.